I'm gonna go to the garage and open the car doors. Oh wait, I forgot. I don't have a car. Oh my God, Willie, shut up! If you don't shut up, actually, I'm gonna call all the neighbors, and they're all at the same time gonna tackle Sonic. Knuckles, call everyone. We're all gonna beat up Sonic because he's being a crybaby again. Alright. Meet me out at my house. Alright, when I say charge, we charge and attack that blue hedgehog! Charge! Run! Hey, we need to pour some more chili on him so that he'll stop crying. Okay. Man, he's tough. I'm just warming up. Hey, let's see what you got. Get you all who oppose me. Chaos, blast, aqua. The time has come to stop the crybaby Sonic. Maybe some music will put it to sleep and shut it up. Let's get this fight over with already. It's time we kill the crybaby! Yeah! Well, at least the crybaby's dead. But Shadow's dead too. He sacrificed himself to kill the crybaby Sonic. Let's just be glad that the crybaby's dead! Woohoo! Actually, I'm not dead. But he's dead.